Hi there, this is Yogi Virendra Yogi from his Inspiration Center, Chinese Center. What is the meaning of life? The meaning of life is to really get enlightenment, to become very wise, to really use every second of your life, every moment of your life, learn what is the really real meaning of life. Invent, discover new ideas, new thoughts, new machines, new instruments. Like any great who have been on this planet Earth. Work with passion, full measure of devotion. And create a world full of joy, peace, serenity, calmness for everyone. Be truthful, loyal, affectionate, kind, compassionate. Emulate the path of the greats who have really graced the beautiful earth. Never allow your negative mental attitude to dominate your positive mental attitude. Get energetic, enthusiastic with a definite purpose in the alliance of the best brains, with the capacity of applied faith, going extra mile, maintaining harmonious relations with everyone, willing to share every blessings of your life to everyone, being open-minded and self-disciplined, self-controlled man. Never giving priority to the money, but giving more priority to love, affection and kindness. Share affection, laugh often and much. Appreciate the beauty around you and live very happily and joyfully. And for this you have to sow the seed of joy. Sow the seed of positive. That's the meaning of life. Be valiant, be a hero. Be a great in every respect. Physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, very balanced person. Never hurt, never harm, but love and care. Try to create a world where there is no hunger. There is no ignorance, indolence, thoughtlessness, or foolishness. There is no greed, but there is love, joy, serenity, calmness. Pity on these evils and devils who are really trying to destroy the beautiful earth by their hegemonistic approach, spreading coronavirus and threatening the world with nuclear weapons. What else they can do? They are beasts, lions and the tigers and the wolves and the leopards, the wild dogs of the earth, our planet, forest. I really feel ashamed of the nature also. Why nature created these wild beasts which can destroy the innocent, weaker beasts? Survival of the fittest has been law of the nature. And I want to reverse that. I am helpless. Unitedly we can do it. A lot more people have won Nobel Prize for peace. But these fools got only a lot of dollars, lot of pounds and everything else. But they are doing nothing. The world is in chaos. The world is turbulent. The world is vibrant and violent. China is Xi Jinping in trying to conquer the world like Hitler. Where is the peace? Where is joy? Where is serenity? The world is at the verge of nuclear war. Shame. Very ashamed. Why not reverse the gear? Why the world is not making a perfect peaceful place with harmonious relations with everyone, loving each other, feeding every bird, beast, animal, plants, and loving every mankind, and educating them with the philosophy of truth, joy, peace, love and affection. I am there at the forefront. Can you come with me? Can you dare? Can you dare? That is my request. I am not challenging you. You can do it if you believe you can. Because you have a mind. Mind can swing from negative mental attitude to the positive mental attitude. Make a U-turn. The wicked people of the world, you will be angry to tell you wicked. Nobody is permanent wicked, nobody is permanent wise. Good is half bad, bad is half good. But you have to be ready for that. Your attitude must swing from negative mental attitude to the positive mental attitude. Give protection. Love everyone. Mother Earth has given everything for everyone. But the selfish politicians or the selfish powerful nations They want to destroy the beautiful earth, deprive the poor from their right to live happily like rich. The Mother Earth is rich. It has plenty for everyone. It can feed everyone. It can give oxygen, water and food for everyone. But these people are depriving the deprived section of the people. Greed has gouged the world. I don't want anything. I want to be a servant, true servant of the mankind. I have no money, but I have love. I have nothing, but I have everything what is required to live happily in the fresh air of the world, free from all worries, anxieties and fret. An abundance of truth, joy, happiness for all. That's my dream and desire. Thank you, viewers. Be one such great human being. You may not have money, but have positive mental attitude, sound physical health, a man without any anxieties, worries, open-minded, willing to share everyone, disciplined and controlled mind, giving less importance to the worldly, ethereal, material world, and giving more importance to bonding, relationship with the entire universe. Thank you, viewers.